How do I book a presale clean with Clean House Melbourne?
Booking is simple, and we're happy to guide you step by step. Here's how to get started. Call or text us directly to discuss your property and timeline. Get a tailored quote based on your goals. Lock in a date. We'll advise on ideal timing relative to your campaign. Sit back and relax while our team gets your home ready to shine. We also accept online quote requests via our website. Last-minute booking requests depending on availability, agent, stylist, or landlord coordination for third-party jobs. Our presale cleaning team is punctual, professional, and passionate about helping you sell your home at its best. And with over 9 years of experience, we're one of Melbourne's most trusted property presentation specialists. We've compiled the top 60 questions our clients ask us, covering costs, scope, timing, special requests, and more. You can view the complete presale cleaning FAQ here. To receive the full printable FAQ guide or request specific answers, visit cleanhousemelbourne.com.au or contact our team directly.